Good afternoon. I'm Patrick with RE/MAX Realty Team here in sunny Cape Coral, Florida. Welcome to this month's edition of the market recap for February 2013. We've seen some trends coming along in our real estate market, so look, sit back, relax, enjoy the video. If you'd like to chat with me one-on-one to talk about your specific situation, please give me a call. I can be reached at 239-443-1558. Lee County statistics. For another month now, RE/MAX Realty Team has outperformed our closest competition by over 20%. So if you're looking to sell or buy a home, please give me a call. It's a great time to be in the market. Cape Coral, active single-family homes. Inventory is rising. Buyers, you have a large choice of homes to pick from. You may want to think about buying soon because prices are continuing to rise. Cape Coral closed single-family homes. Closings were down compared to last month, but appears to be basically remaining steady. So this tells me that demand is staying about the same. So you should think seriously about getting off the fence. Cape Coral single-family home sales. Here's a line graph showing the same data as the previous graph, but once again, it looks like a sideways trend. Cape Coral monthly comparison. Based on an 1,800 square foot home, the average list price and average sales price has been rising, and we've passed the $103 per foot mark. The list to sell ratio is still maintaining in the 95 to 96% range. Cape Coral average sales price comparison. It's the same data as the previous slide, just in a different format. But if you look into the January column, you'll be able to see the rising prices over the last 3 years. And if you'd like to chat with me in person, please give me a call at 239-443-1558, or you can simply email me at patrick@thereedteam.com. Cape Coral lot sales, a slight increase over last month, and there's been a lot of talk lately from investors thinking about buying and holding, along with future people looking to build their homes. So if you're in that frame of mind, this might be just for you. Cape Coral waterfront lot sales. This graph includes all waterfront, Gulf access, and fresh water. The graph shows that we're about even with last month. Cape Coral condo sales, a little bounce higher than last month. So let's see what happens next month to see if there's any kind of a trend that's starting to show up. All right, moving into Fort Myers. We've got Fort Myers single-family home sales. This is very similar to the Cape Coral slide that we previously saw. This trend also appears to be going sideways, which tells me demand is still basically staying the same. Again, same data as the previous slide, just in a different format, but you can see the sales from the previous year. Declining through the year and basically taking a few bounces over the last quarter or so of last year, but still pretty much remaining the same. Fort Myers monthly comparison. Prices are continuing to increase once again. There was a big jump from last year to this year, and of course this is calculated on an average 2,000 square foot home. Again, if you guys are thinking about buying, this is probably a very good time for you to jump into the market. Moving into Lehigh. Lehigh Acres closed single-family homes. Lehigh seems to be following a pattern of selling between 100 to 150 homes each month. So they seem to be staying pretty steady over the course of last year. Again, it's the same data as the previous slide, showing a sideways trend. If you look at the previous year, you can pretty much see basically a sideways trend for the whole year. Lehigh monthly comparisons. As you can see, the average prices are much lower than Fort Myers and Cape Coral, but the list to sell ratio is much higher. We're seeing here pretty close to a 99% ratio. In the last slide of the day, Lehigh acre lot sales. A trend seems to be forming with lot sales. It looks like lot sales are on the rise in Lehigh since August of last year. Okay, well, that'll do it for this month's observation. If you'd like to talk to me one-on-one, please give me a call at 239-443-1558. Thanks again, and have a great month. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.